What's also saying to you, Mindy? Hi. What you doing, cowboy? No, no eating my food. No, no, no. What's that? Don't eat that. What's your ear? What's your ear? Oh, what's with your ear? This is Mindy. Mindy has the same colors as Ranger. That's Samson. That's not her puppy, but she'll train him anyways. We train Samson too? Oh, yes, you will. Oh, yes, you will. Hi, baby girl. What do you want? What do you want? Tell me. What do you want? What is it? What do you want? Hi. Hi, Mindy Lou. Mindy baby, what do you want?